Hey guys, Puppet Kicker here again today. We're going to do some more work on the four-wheel drive. Give some shout outs real quick. Thank you to sulfurcitydesign.com. You can head over there, get some stickers, t-shirts, all that good stuff. Thank you for all you that, the new subscribers, the old subscribers, everyone that watches my videos. Big shout out to thank you to every one of y'all. I've reached over 2,000 subscribers. To some people that's not a lot, but to me, it's a whole lot more than what I ever thought I would ever have. So thank you to each and every one of y'all. Let me spin you around here. I'm going to show you what we're going to do. What we're going to do is try to finish in. When I close my hood down, it's going to come at an angle. You can see I got the line marked right there and right down here. So what we're fixing to do is cut a piece of metal to go from here up to there, right there at an angle. And it's also going to have the piece in that's going to cover over the fender right here. I am not putting my headlights in this. This is my fender. This is like a Jeep Willys kind of style. Or a Jeep Wrangler rather, I'm sorry. The headlights will be in the grill itself, and I'll do the same thing over on this side. I'll round the edges off when I cut it and trim it right here. I've already got it marked out. You can see very faintly the line right here. It'll come down, and it'll come across right there and cut that out. This line right here is where I'm going to have to put a bend in it, so it'll bend down. As you can see, it bends down right here. So let me put you on the tripod and we'll get to cutting. Alright guys, as you can see, I have this piece right up here. It's going to line up all the way across. Right there. And then it'll bend from here down. So I'll take my marker. Mark where I need my bend at, and it'll be welded through here and then along the sides. It'll come down right here, it'll bend down, and I'll cut this little piece off and trim it. I can do that while it's on the frame, and that should work out perfect. I'll cut one for the other side, and then we'll get it all tacked in, and we'll come back. Alright guys, there you have it. That's what I was talking about doing. Now I'm going to tack weld all this up through here, and then some down through here, and over on this side. Same thing over there. And then I'll be able to heat that up just a little bit and bend it right over on both sides. So let me set it up right here, and we'll try to do a little bit of welding. Sorry if I get in the way, but hey, life happens. Okay guys, we're going to cut this other piece. We're going to work on the hood now. I'm always talking about safety first. Well, the blade on that thing, I'll show you. This is a blade for a skill saw. I was recommended by this. I'll put his name in the description of the video. That goes for your skill saw. I bought a pack of 5 of them for like 12 bucks, 11 bucks, I'll say 12. Anyhow, I put it on a skill saw, and that's what I was using earlier. But as you noticed, all kinds of sparks came from that thing. So, I'm going to practice safety first. I'm going to use what I got, so don't make fun of me. Remember, safety first. That's one side of the hood. And we'll come back when we get the rest of this cut. Alright guys, as you can see, I've got the hood I'm working on it. I've got the top piece completely welded on. I've got the sides tacked on there, so what I'm fixing to do is I'm going to weld all along the edges through there, and I'll go on the other side and weld that. So we'll let you get a little bit of footage of that. I'll have the fan on and radio on, so there probably won't be no audio to this. I may cut in a song from it's a song that I got off of SoundCloud. If you want to know the name of it, look in the video description. It's one that I play at the end of my video. So there you go. For all you that ask, hey, what's the name of the end of the song that's at the end. So look in the description of the video.
Oh, dog. We having a party.
Alright guys, I want to show you something. There you go, what do you think of that? It's just the top piece, the dash is just sitting on there for now. As you can see, I've just got it sitting up there. This will be trimmed, and so will that down there. It'll well, it won't be trimmed. It'll actually have a score in it, and this right here will bend down and go right here. I'm going to show you a little trick on doing some work. If you noticed, this is one piece. You can tell it's not cut right there. My camera will focus. There we go, right there. What I've done is I've taken a little bitty old grinder blade, real thin one, and all I've done is scored it all the way down, and then I stepped on it here, both feet, and I just pulled this piece back until I got the shape that I needed. Now I'll score it here. Actually, I'll tack weld this first, all this down, and then I'll make me a line from here over to the other end, and I'll make a line, and then I'll take that same grinder and I'll follow that line down through there and score it, and then I'll just take a hammer and tap this down, and that'll give me my one-piece dash. I do plan on putting a windshield on this, so like I said, that's just my dash, nothing more. I'll try to have another piece probably coming down just a little ways so I can put all my buttons and stuff. The inside will be welded in as far as the kicker panel. That will be covered up also, so you will not see the motor. I am going to put extra metal right here when I do weld this in, that way in case something were to happen and the rod slung, it wouldn't come through. But it's coming along, I think, nicely. Let me get this all tacked in here and go eat dinner, and I'll come back out here and hammer away some more. Alright guys, it's been a really long day working on this thing. We'll go ahead and stop for the night. It's like 9:30 at night, so let me spin you around here and I'll show you what I've gotten done today. I got the dash, got the rest of the hood, well, I got the whole hood done. Got the rest of the fenders done. Started working on the grill, as you can see. I'm going to have to trim this one right here just a little bit more right there, 1/4 inch all the way down, curve it. This one here, as you can see where I got my line drawn, got to go all the way down. And then I'll have the holes, I'll cut those out, and that's where my headlights will go. And I'll have me some parking lights right here and right here under it. And I have my louvers cut through the hood with some mesh behind it. But that's what it's looking like so far. I've been doing a lot of grinding, as you can tell, because I'm trying to keep our stuff uniform, because I might end up putting a little bit of Bondo on this thing. I've still got a lot more grinding to do, but Bondo will let me fill this gap right here. So, like I said, I may put a little bit of Bondo, I may not. But if I do, oh well. If I don't, oh well. It is going to be black and red. I think for the most part the vehicle is going to be black. The frame might be red. The mesh behind it will be red. But I'll also build me a little bit of fender flare off of the fenders also, on the front and the back. I'm going to take some sheet metal and I will fill in this part right here, and I'll actually start my fender. Well, my camera's getting blurry, but I'll start my fender probably about right here, and then it'll come up and around, and then it may end right there the body, and then come up there. But like I said, I'm gonna stop for the night. I'll try to get this uploaded. But thank y'all for watching. God bless y'all. I'm gonna have some stickers cut for me, and I'll have it put on the dash before I put my windshield in. Probably puppet kicker and spare change or something like that. But yeah, tell me what you think of it. Give me your opinions. Shoot me some ideals if you want to. Thank y'all for watching. God bless you.